This is a guided relaxation in nature on the harvest. You may look at it as seen in nature or simply follow along in this video. We'll begin with the breath, noticing the feeling of the breath as it fills and empties in our bellies. Noticing the breath as it fills and empties in our lungs. Feeling the air on our skin. Feeling the air on our faces. It's early September, and here in our garden it's the harvest season. This summer was cooler and rainier than normal. Some of the annual veggies didn't thrive under these conditions, and some of the perennial plants grew like giants. In the garden of our lives, what do we harvest? What do we enjoy of our harvest, and what do we appreciate less? What seeds did we sow and tend to make this harvest possible? What elements came together to support this harvest? And where were the places where the weather or the conditions were not favorable, where life gave us surprises, failure, or disappointment? And were there lessons in this? Could we do differently next time? Or is it simply an opportunity to accept, to be present, and to be flexible? I invite us to breathe deeply in this moment, to notice the harvest in our lives, and to give thanks. I give thanks for breathing. I give thanks for the sunshine and the rain that nourishes this garden. I give thanks for this garden that nourishes us with food and medicine. I give thanks for the harvest of this season, and I give thanks for the harvest in our lives. Wishing you a beautiful and nourishing day. Thank you for joining us today.